I don't want to go around. Oh, look at all that poop. Oh, let me just go back here. Look at all that poop. See it? And there he is. He's right there. Say goodnight to the people. So they do most of their damage at nighttime. And it's getting dark. Look at that. Right there. Say goodnight to the people. Well, look at here. Right there and right there. Say goodnight to the people. Just like all them over there. Good night. Good night. Hello YouTube, this is Lisa. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I'm doing great. I am out in the garden. I just stepped out here. We had a bad storm last night and I could hear like the wind blowing things around, but I just stepped out to see and looks like everything is okay. Just standing over here looking at the collard greens. I almost thought we might not get collard greens for Thanksgiving this year, but I think we might. I'm gonna turn you around so you can see them. All these collard greens down in here. Back that way are old-timey blue collards. I got those seeds from the okra lady, as well as these here. These are the champion collards. And then these right here, of course, are the Georgia collards. And then all the way back there, it's like 3 rows. They are the Moor's Head collards. And everything is looking really good. Looking really, really, really good. The blue collards, they have like a blue or purple looking stem. And so they're just looking all good in here. I keep this closed up because don't want that white moth to sneak in here. I think I opened it up one day and she flew out. How did you even get in there? I had this thing sealed tight. So I'm gonna close it up. This is the green stock. Everything is looking pretty good in there. And I am really excited about how everything is looking. Those are rutabagas. And purple or red mustards. Southern curly mustards. And then it's Georgia collards down there in the bottom. And that's how it is all around. Okay, so these are Florida broadleaf mustards. And they have not been harvested before, but they are looking very good. Next time I harvest, I think I will get some of these. These are rutabagas up top here. Looks like the little moth. Oh, there's a worm. There's 2 worms. Say goodnight to the people. Where did I see that other one? Right there. He's pretending to be a part of the leaf. Say goodnight to the people. So, let me just make sure it's not any more of them on here. I got some BT that is made up in a bottle over there, but I don't know if spraying any right now is gonna do any good because it is raining. It's starting back to rain again. But it is a rutabaga under there that is looking pretty good. It's coming along pretty good. This one has a really small one. But I just want to be sure. Ah, there's another one. God. Say goodnight to the people. They're all in there. That white fly has come in here. That's why it looks like it looks. All curled up and eat up. Okay, you all, so let me see. You see that poop? That's poop. And it's all on top of that leaf. It's all right there. All up there. And it's a few drops down there. Well, it is, that's a sign that it is a worm. Now I just pulled off 4 or 5. And I see another one. Right there. Right there. Say goodnight to the people. We never really had any problems growing in the green stock, but I mean the white moth, the yellow moth, all those moths, they've been growing. I mean, they've been flying all around this yard, and they've just been laying eggs. And if you don't have your stuff covered, then they will, the caterpillars will definitely eat up your plants. I don't want to go around. Oh, look at all that poop. Oh, let me just go back here. Look at all that poop. See it? And there he is. He's right there. Say goodnight to the people. So they do most of their damage at nighttime. And it's getting dark. Look at that. Right there. Say goodnight to the people. Now, there's poop on that leaf. Maybe it just fell off where this one that was up here was. Well, look at here. Right there and right there. Oh my goodness. Say goodnight to the people. Just like all them over there. Good night. Good night. So, you really do need to come out here and look at nighttime, because that's when they are their busiest. So these are rutabagas, and the turnips are over there. But these rutabagas are doing well. Now, I have not seen any worms on them, and I hope I don't. But early on, I pulled a bunch of snails or slugs off of them, but I haven't seen any more since that. These mustards are doing well. Can't see too good because of the wet tool, but they're in there doing well. These are Swiss chard, and they are doing well. I'm going to leave these in as long as I can, just to see how long they will grow in here. I've been told that they will grow up to 2 to 3 years, one plant. So I'm going to see. We had this one more celery plant left. We stuck it in there. These are our chives. That is our rosemary. And that is our thyme. So these are the rutabagas, and I came out to fertilize on Saturday, and we had a bad windstorm last week, and it blew open the tool. And so when I came to fertilize, and I went ahead and opened up, a moth, 2 or 3 moths flew out of here. And then I was finding a bunch of worms. I went and I mixed up some BT, sprayed it, and I think it helped, because I don't see any more damage. That leaf there has a little bit of damage, but it's okay. This is the Myers lemon, and look at all of those little lemons. And it does not have time to produce all these lemons. You don't have time. I don't have enough warm weather. Okay, you all, so that is, I guess, just a little short garden tour. I always like to come out and look at the garden when after a rain, and we had a big rainstorm last night, and like I said, I could hear a lot of stuff blowing around, but I don't see anything out of place. So I guess everything is well. And so I hope that you all are doing well in your gardens. And so you all, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and then hit the subscribe button if you have not already, and then hit the notification bell so that you be notified each time I upload content. So you all stay safe, stay well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.